A mid-segment of a triangle is the segment that connects the two midpoints of two sides. Since the triangle has three sides, it has three mid-segments. So in triangle PQR on the right, we have segment XY, which is a mid-segment. We have segment ZY, which is another mid-segment, and then we have segment XZ. So those are the three mid-segments of this particular triangle. What's the relationship between a mid-segment and the third side of the triangle? So let's look at mid-segment PQ here. It's a mid-segment because it joins midpoints P and Q, and the mid-segment is parallel to the third segment. In this case, the third segment is segment NM. So that is always the case. If you have mid-segment, it will be parallel to the third side of the triangle. So it's parallel. And going back in time, we need to remember that when there are parallel lines and they're transversals, and here we have two transversals, I'm going to highlight the transversal NL. I didn't do a very good job of that, but that's okay. And you notice that you will have corresponding angles here that are congruent. Also, or similarly, if you look at the transversal, okay, let's try that again. If you look at transversal LM, then you get these angles that are corresponding angles. They are also congruent. And that is just something to remember in case you need to find angle measures. Let's just assume that segment PQ is 7 inches. Then we would know that segment NM is going to be 2 times 7 inches because it's double the length. And if you look at the diagram, it also makes sense. PQ, or the mid-segment, is always going to be smaller than the segment that it is parallel to.